Missed you. We're back. The Great Wall of Melbourne has finally fallen. We don't have any more restrictions or borders or any of that junk anymore, and we can finally get this bad boy back out on track. I am pumped because it's been 5 months since I've seen this car. So I came over a couple of days ago and basically got it all working, just cleaned it up, and we got on the phone to our mate Adam Macrow, who is a legend in the XL world. And he ran me through a full suspension setup on this puppy for Phillip Island, which I'm really excited about. So should change the car completely, which I really shouldn't have done really before track day, but what do you do? So tomorrow we are going to pack up and we're going to go to Phillip Island for the first time. I'm really excited. Phillip Island is just one of those tracks I really wanted to drive on. It's world famous, mainly for MotoGP, but for a lot of things, and it's it's fast, it's got some great turns. It's actually my favourite track on iRacing, so luckily I know the track. Obviously it's a bit different in real life, but I know the layout really well. So yeah, I'm super excited to get out there. Car's good to go. Let's load her up and get off to the island. Here we go, we're at the island. There's some absolutely serious cars here, which is very exciting. I've seen some Time Attack WXs and BRZs and 944s because they're racing today, which is really cool. So super pumped to watch other cars as well. Well, it's just started raining. If you have a look here, we've got some wet concrete. Not ideal, so we'll see what happens. I've just been moved. I moved myself to group 5, the slower group, because I was in 2 with 911s and 6-litre V8s and stuff like that. So hopefully now it should be a bit more sensible. We'll see. Do you know what's better than going to a racetrack? Going to a racetrack with friends. Yay! Hey Berries! Oh. Hey Tara! How are we going?
Good. So nice to have friends again.
So good to have friends again. We've got Berries will be all here. All looking good with some new things and stuff. Tara's BRZ's looking great. She does have a race car, but she decided to bring a daily driver instead because, you know, that's how she rolls. And we're worried about this rain. These are some stormy clouds, so we'll see what happens. But for now, let's get all this working. Sweet, so we've got a couple of groups out now. Benry's and Tara getting all suited up. Got some cool cars coming down. The track's starting to dry up a bit, which is good. Holy shit, look at this thing. Sick. I mean, nothing on the Nug, but you know. So good.
Nice wheel all the way around.
Yeah. Super fun track. We had a good first session, learning everything. I'm off the pace at the moment, but we'll get there. Ben Rees is about to go out in the beast.
Hey buddy.
You all good?
Yeah, hopefully. We'll find out in a minute.
That's the spirit.
You're kicking goals?
Yeah, all kicking goals.
Winning.
We're at a racetrack and we're driving cars. It's good times.
Best day ever.
Best day ever. It's Mary's birthday. Happy birthday, Mary.
Thanks, man.
Would you like that not in your car?
Oh, yeah, thanks, man.
Check out the disco. Disco, disco. Session 2 done. I felt a lot more confident in the car then. After Adam's suggestions with the suspension and everything, oh god, shaky hand. Oh, that one's just as bad. I'm definitely feeling a lot better in the car, so it's a lot looser. I had it really stable, but the problem was that it would understeer easily and all that sort of stuff. Now the car feels looser, but you can feel when it's going to under or oversteer. Had a bit of a moment into MG on the warm-up lap, just being a muppet. But yeah, chased the guy around in an old Falcon. That was fun as we had a blast together. Car's perfect as always. I'm slowly collecting wildlife, the wildlife of Phillip Island, on every lap. It's pretty gross. But yeah, crazy fun track. I'm having a blast. So we'll go out, and I dropped a couple of seconds off my time. Unfortunately, my official timer wasn't working for whatever reason, so I've reorientated that. Hopefully that works. And we'll give it another go. Ready to rock and roll?
Ready to go.
Woo! session was awesome. So Lockie, a couple of garages down in his XL. We just battled the whole time, swapped spots a bunch, great fun. So yeah, it was really good. And we had Brendan in his XL catch up at the end, and it was like a little race. It was great. We didn't get good times because we spent too much time just overtaking each other, but yeah, it was sick. So now we've got another sesh. Benry's is gone, Tara's heading off now. See you, Tara. Bye. And yeah, hopefully we can beat the rain because it's starting to look a bit angry out there. We'll see. So we're just waiting for another session. Apparently someone hit a wall or a fence or some junk. It's getting late in the day. The sky's looking a bit angry, but it's been a sweet day. Sorry guys, this isn't the greatest video I've done. I'm kind of, to be honest, a bit flustered by getting back in a car and driving it the island for the first time and all that stuff. So I promise I'll get you some better videos soon, but hopefully you saw a bit of this and went, that's cool. My times are definitely way off the XLs, but there's a couple of other guys here and they're about the same as me, and we're, you know what, we're having fun. I don't care. I didn't get into this to win races. I got into it to have fun, which I am having fun, and we'll have more fun. So it's good anyway. So we're all just sitting around like spare dicks at the moment. Oh, we've got Ying over here having a photo shoot with a car. Very cool. We'll get out of the way. We'll just wait and hopefully get another sesh.